Welcome to Wednesday Web Chat. This is Carl Lewis, your host from Vision 33. And today we'll be continuing our series about Crystal Reports Designer for SAP Business One. Today's topic is really about filtering report data, but we also want to be looking into some things about creating groups and subtotals, for instance, and calculations based on those subtotal groups. So it's really kind of a three-part thing that's about filtering, but really what we're really trying to get to is the issue of being able to create subtotals and grand totals in a crystal report. So let's talk about it a little bit first, and then we'll go through, as we typically do, kind of an exercise and a demonstration which shows you those principles in action. So this is going to be about the reporting menu in Crystal Reports Designer and what we call the select expert. Now, rarely will you want a listing of every record in your database on your report. It's possible that somebody might really want that transaction level detail about something, but that's not often the case. It's typically an accumulation of data with the ability to drill into the detail that people are after. So most often you're interested in only a select set of records, as in the sales for a particular business partner, or inventory for a group of products. And the select expert actually allows us to filter the report by record, by a group, even by the saved data that the report accumulates while it's working. And an important note is your record selection criteria does not have to be based on a field in your report. You can choose any field from the database as a basis for the record selection, as long as it's a part of the data you have selected for your report. So, and I'll show you a demonstration of that when we get into the demo itself. The select expert will open automatically for the field you've selected if you do it right. And if you haven't selected a field by clicking on it before using one of these methods, then you can open a dialog box and it'll display the fields for you and select which field you want to apply the filter to. So using the drop-down list, you can build selection criteria that meet your needs. And now, depending on the kind of field you select, the available options in the second drop